Think about our viewers. They've just completed or just put out on extension the tax returns for their individual clients. From your perspective, to what extent does tax counseling and return preparation give you an insight into an individual's well-being and financial health?
There's so many things you could look at on a tax return. In fact, there's a lot of tools out there. You can just Google it to develop financial planning ideas from a tax return. We don't have time to go into all those. Almost every single line on the tax return can generate financial planning advice. People think, okay, it's just the tax-free income line, municipal bond interest. That's all I need to look at, or the IRA contributions. But there's so much more. There's so much more to look at.
Our viewers' clients go to a doctor. After a physical exam and some questioning, the healthcare specialist is supposed to know how healthy and physically fit their patient is. But Greg, tell me, are there similar tools that can help our viewers examine their clients' financial fitness?
There are, but I want to back up just a little bit, because you said when someone goes into the doctor can determine if they are physically fit. I don't believe that to be true. We get about 3 minutes and 30 seconds with the doctor. There's no way any of my clients or your clients, I believe, can have their physical fitness determined in that short a period of time. I don't care how much blood you give the blood lab, okay? As a financial planner, we're so blessed, I believe, in that we can spend so much more time. I mean, 3.5 minutes is nothing. I'm willing to spend a full 7 minutes with our clients, as long as I can bill for the full hour, right? But we can work with that client throughout the year. And okay, we don't have the medical insurance to help the client pay for it, but I guarantee you that a client would rather pay our fees directly than have to deal with the medical insurance landscape.
Well, that's their financial well-being. But to what extent can or should financial advisors address their clients' overall fitness?
Mike, that's a great question. Should we, as CPA financial planners, discuss their physical fitness, clients' physical fitness, and give advice in that area? My wife and I work together, and my wife has the health background. She's a registered dietitian, she's a certified senior advisor, she worked in hospitals for decades, and so she brings to the table with our clients that kind of health background. But we do not give health advice. We are not medical professionals. We are a CPA firm. We are registered with the State Board of Accountancy, registered investment advisors, so we do not give physical health advice. However, we can quantify to our clients what their current health conditions will cost them. And what I mean by that, Mike, is that if someone has chronic illness, okay, we can quantify the cost of type 2 diabetes that they will have to take care of. Let's say they're 50, okay, between 50 and 65. Then Medicare kicks in. But what some people don't realize is Medicare does not pay for everything. Medicare does not pay for everything. So we don't give physical health advice. We do tell people that, hey, if you want to reduce your medical costs, because we try to motivate people with money, okay? If you want to reduce your out-of-pocket costs and have more to enjoy your retirement life, take care of yourself. And we try to model that behavior. Lisa and I try to stay in good shape, and God willing, we can stay that way.